Hey YouTube family, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back once again to our daily hacking news series. If you want, you can hit like and subscribe button. Sometime it may work as a sort of our team. Anyway, let's get right into the video. So first news is related to Google. So Google announced on Tuesday that first Android security update for 2023, which patches a total of 60 vulnerability. So the first part of update, which arrived on device as a 2023 1st January, security patch level address 19 security defects in framework and system component. So Google also added a note in its advisory that the most severe of this issue is high security vulnerability in the framework component that could lead to the local escalation of privilege with no additional execution privilege needed. So basically a total of 11 elevation of privilege bugs were dissolved in the framework component this month, along with the 3 denial of service issue, 5 other elevation of privilege vulnerability were addressed in the system component. So this is good news that they come up with a new update. Now next news is related to Toyota that we have already covered yesterday, but today they are accepting by their own. So Toyota Motor Corporation revealed a data breach that may have been compromised the personal information of its customer after access key was made available to the public on GitHub for over 5 years. So data breach at Toyota Kirloskar Motor, a joint venture with the Indian giant Kirloskar Group, has been reported to the appropriate Indian authorities. So this was said by the Toyota India. So there was a email statement as well from the Toyota Kirloskar Motor. They said that Toyota Kirloskar Motor has been notified by one of its service provider of an incident that might have exposed the personal information of some TKM's customers on the internet. So they have accepted finally. Now next news is related to Linux malware. So a new Linux malware developed using a shell script compiler has been observed deploying a cryptocurrency miners on compromised system. So Lab Security Emergency Center, they have said a report and published today that it is presumed that after successfully authentication through a dictionary attack on inadequate managed Linux SSH server, various malware were installed on the targeted system as well. Let's see if there will be any other update will be coming or not. Shell scripting is basically a kind of set of codes that you run on your cell terminal, you can say. Now last news is related to Qualcomm and Lenovo. So Qualcomm on Tuesday released a patch to address multiple security flaws in its chipset. Some Lenovo ThinkPad were vulnerable, some of which could be exploited to cause information disclosure and memory corruption vulnerability issues. So there was a 5 vulnerability which was tracked as CV 2022-40516 through CV 2022-40520. Also impacted Lenovo ThinkPad X13S laptop, which is promoting the Chinese PC maker to issue BIOS update to plug the security holes. So there was a couple of list of security flaws that was available. First one was CV 2022-40516, 2022-40517, 2022-40520, and the CVSS score was 8.4. So the bug that CV that I told you was memory corruption in core due to a stack based buffer overflow. And the other two CVs was CV 2022-40518 and 40519, which was scored as 6.8, which was information disclosure due to buffer overread in core issue. So that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have comment and feedback, you may subscribe because we are bringing hacking news on daily basis. So at last, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.